Hi James, I just seen something strange and I just suggest to for this video to show you what it is. I'm trying to work with my database now, but it's showing me this message: your like account contain over 1 giga of data, so that's I have to delete it. I delete all my database. He gave me two suggestions: either I pay it plain or I delete the data. I also have two database. I delete it now, but it is still not allowed to me to create a new database. For example, let's create test, create database failed, payment required. So what that mean? Because I don't know what it is. And is that my data has to be 1 gigabyte? My database, I think now it's empty right now. It has to be back to 1 gigabyte. Because he said it has to be 1 giga and now it's empty. There's no database or a document inside the database because I have deleted all of them now. So do you have any suggestion for that, please?